front of me is OPPO A17 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction features available on this OPPO. Begin by opening Settings. In them, you need to scroll all the way down and access System Settings. Then click on Keyboard and Input Method, select Gboard, and tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!